In 2026 and beyond, we're looking for the simple way, and HerGivenHair makes that more than possible because this lace top is so beautiful. It gives the illusion of scalp, and guess what? There is no lace glue that you have to worry about. You don't have to add all of these elastic bands. This top is so realistic and it's really easy. I'm telling you, once I put the strap on in the back, all I had to do was slide this thing right on and adjust it. Now this texture is one that is really beautiful if you want like the blown out look, but I wanted to straighten it just a little bit. And as you can see, once it's adjusted on my head, it makes it really easy. And this is a beginner friendly wig. You literally do nothing but put this thing on, right? But obviously once I got done putting it on, I had to make sure that it was going to stay on my head, because that's another thing. If I'm not using any glue, any gel or anything like that, is it going to be snug? Is it secure? And the answer is yes, because not only is it undetectable and it looks like scalp, it looks like how your head would look if you had bangs. It's very easy and realistic to style. So remember, everybody's head is different, everybody's forehead is a bit different, so they made sure that the bangs are long enough so that you'll have a comfortable fit. And you could even trim the bangs yourself, but for me, I ended up not trimming the bangs because I'm gonna be honest, all I had to do was move it back a little bit and it was the perfect length for me. So all I'm going to do now is go through and straighten this, and it is on the lowest heat setting because I'm not trying to get like a hard silk press look, but you know, just styling it a little bit. And I just need you to know that it is something that becomes so smooth, right? I only put leave-in, Lord. I only put heat protectant on the unit as I'm flat ironing, and then at the very end, I'm gonna use a little bit of serum, but that's it. So stick around to the end and let me know what you think about it, and make sure you check the links in the description box below for any codes or anything, because you need to get your hands on this. But until our next video, relax, let me know what you think.
'Cause there's one thing that we know, people changing roses.